Fair enough. Okay, so you want me to give you my prediction?
Do your prediction, and
Okay,
I'll
this
jump
is
back on the thing.
My prediction for the farm industry, and it's starting already, and they will have some end goal as to what I'm saying. So not only are they looking at alternative food methods like the bugs, but they're doing something called cultured meats, which is lab-grown meat. It's in a giant tube, and they're doing the same pitch. It saves us 70% on emissions. It saves 70% of the land that it takes. And there's a few restaurants, I think in Singapore and a couple other places that are, and again, this is my theory.
Yep.
And you can add conspiracy to that if you want or not. Doesn't matter. I don't care. But they basically have a blank check because they're operating at a loss. And any company that can be that high end operating at a loss has massive funding.
Yeah.
So they're trying to popularize this idea of eating chicken that's grown in a test tube.
Finish that thought. I'm going to jump back on the chickens.
Okay, so and it's insanely expensive. So they're still trying to iron out the bugs. They're still trying to popularize this idea. But why the government and corporations want this war with farmers is it will be the biggest land grab in modern history.
Yep.
Right? They're trying to break the farmers' backs so that they have to give up their land. They're trying extremely aggressively in the EU.
Yeah.
Whereas the other approach will be to just bankrupt farmers. Bankrupt farmers.
Which is what they're doing here.
Yeah, which is exactly what they do here. The land goes up and a corporation buys it. And then, again, they'll turn it into condos and parks and a bunch of bullshit that we don't need under the guise that chicken comes out of a machine in the grossest way possible is going to be more healthy for you. It's more healthy for you. There's no animal cruelty because we're just, growing cells. There's no actual brain development. There's no feelings. There's no nothing. And it's going to, again, save on emissions and all this stuff. And it's nuts. But yeah, so they're doing it's going to be a huge land grab. They're going to break the backs of all these farmers. That's what they're going to try and do. And then they're going to try and buy up all that land so they can build. And it won't be building a bunch of things that we need. These will be high-end condos. This will be all the bullshit we don't want.
High-end condos that their friends are going to buy to rent it to you.
Yeah, that their friends will buy. Exactly. That's exactly how it will go.
Yeah.
And those things are already underway. Those development projects are already under the way. This has been 3 Dead Babies. We hope you guys enjoyed yourselves. We know we did, and that's all that matters.
Don't forget to leave comments, like the video, and please subscribe. It helps us an amazing amount.
Yeah.
Again, I'm Vampire Jesus.
I'm your fabulous co-host, and we would love to keep, talking shit about everybody's problems. So in that comment section, light it up with whatever's fucking burning your ass, pissing you off, making you crazy, and we'd love to dig into it and have a conversation about it. Until next time, we'll see you later.